Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the 13 domino dexterity puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the 13 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to arrange all the metal balls in the domino holes. This puzzle actually has two different challenges. The first one is to place all 13 metal balls in the domino holes at the bottom of the puzzle. As you can see, there are 6 on top and there are 7 on the bottom. The dark domino pieces become obstacles and you have to move the balls around them in order to put them in the holes. The second challenge is even more difficult. You have to place all 13 metal balls on top of both black domino pieces. That means that here you have to fit 7 and here you have to fit 6. There are small wooden ramps on both sides, so you have to put the domino piece next to this ramp and then slide the pieces on top and put them in the holes. It will be a very difficult challenge and you will spend a lot of time trying to figure out the solution of this puzzle. As you can see on the bottom, there is a number 13 cut in the wood, and it becomes an obstacle when you solve a puzzle as well, since the metal balls are trapped there, and to move it you have to kind of shake the puzzle. But if you have some of the balls already in the correct places, shaking the puzzle will probably force you to start solving the puzzle from the very beginning. So it will be a fun dexterity challenge and a very difficult one. You will spend probably a lot of fun hours trying to figure out the solution of this puzzle. If you like the 13 domino dexterity puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.